Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to model a spiral ramp in Revit. My name is Pragatish and let's get started. So first I'm opening the Revit. So here you can see there's a simple building here. So we need to create a ramp from this level 1 to this level 2. So first I'm going to this level 1, go to architecture, select floor and click circle. I'm giving 15,000 mm. And next another circle, I'm just giving 10,000 mm. Okay. And just draw a line between them and split it. I'm using the split shortcut. And yeah, now we have to trim it. So trim this to this to this, and same here. Okay. So now finish. So I'll show you in 3D view how it looks like. So you can see it's just like this. So next what you have to do is you have to make this ramp go to the second floor. So for that, click this element and here you can see modify sub elements. So click this and click this one, and here you can see this value. I'm giving 4000 mm, so which is the offset of the level 2, and now you can see it's elevated to the level 2. So this is how we have to create this ramp. You can see here. So I'm just clicking this copy monitor and align to all other levels. So level 2 to 5. So we no need to select 5 because we no need to make the ramp above this one. So I'm just from 2 to 4, I'm selecting, and yeah, that's it. So this is how we have to create a spiral ramp in Revit, as you can see here. I'll show in the weight trace view. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down all your questions. I'll be answering all that. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn so that we get all the daily updates. So this is Prakatish signing off until we meet again in the next video. Thank you.